Okay, good morning. What I'm going to do now is the wife's Pathfinder key isn't working very well, so I assume the battery's getting a bit flat, as it does now and then. So we'll have a look at that. Pull the key section out. Get knocked around, but easy to get into. Just get into this rough lip here. Just get out. Pull the battery out. A little gap here that you can lift it out. Nice and easy. So this is a TR2032 battery, cheap brand, which is why they don't last long, but they're cheap. So we'll have a look at the voltage in this. 3022. So it is down a bit. We have a look at this new one, the cheap brand one, and we've got 3.425, so quite a bit better. Chuck that one in, we'll see what she's got to say about that. When we put it back in, we've got the little lip here. Try and put it in, it'll just get jammed on top. So you come in this direction, push against it, and it'll drop straight in. While we're in here, we'll make sure everything looks reasonably clean. Really not too bad. Bit of isopropyl and a quick clean up. Pretty good. Housing looks good. Back together. Just clip into place. Work. That key in. We're done. See how she likes that. Hopefully it works a bit better and it'll get us through for a little while. Thanks for watching.